Magandang araw mga kaibigan, Atty. Magsina here. One of the advices that I can also give to people who are making application for themselves and for their families, for their children, ang madalas nakakalimutan ng mga kababayan natin is that they forget to do an index. And what we call them in our group, we call them as MIP. MIP stands for Merge, Index, Pagination. You see, many caseworkers sa embassy and home office immigration, they have a lot of things to do. So marami silang ginagawa. They are receiving a lot of application forms, application supporting documents. And what makes your application stand out is when you merge lahat ng documents naka-compile, organize, with index. For example, bank statements from 1 to 25, pay slips from 26 to 35, certificate of employment from 36 to 37, things like that. And then, so merge, index, paginate, make pages on all, make numbers on all pages. So that makes your application stand out because the home office caseworker or the embassy entry clearance officer will see that you well prepared. You organize your applications well, and it's easy to navigate. It's easy to refer, to make cross-references. For example, you say in your cover letter, I would like to show you that I earn this amount of money. So the certificate of employment, the bank statements, the pay slips, the P60 tax certificates will come into play. So it's important for you to understand how the minds of the decision makers are going, or how to go through with the document. So it's important for you to do the MIP. And for that reason, I have a very high success rate in doing those by being so well prepared, well organized, making merging, indexing, and paginating all the documents that I will be submitting to the Home Office. So I hope that it helps you. If you need any assistance, please give me a call or contact me. Thank you.